Nintendo Switch. Let's take a look and see what's going on. I have not looked yet, so we will both be discovering. Alright. Seen better days, but I'm not seeing anything right off the bat. Makes me think this is a port. They were thinking it was a port. Okay, well, I'm not seeing anything right off the bat. Let's plug him up and see what's going on. Switch back to bench for this. All right. We're getting nothing. Zero, zilch, nada. Okay. Interesting. Unusual. Okay, check all my connections. Yeah, nothing. Okay, well, we will open up and see what we see. Okay, real quickly, I want to do a quick test. I'm not getting any power. I do want to do, actually, I want to do some measurements first thing before I plug this battery in. Check and see if we have any obvious shorts. Something blown up before I plug a fully charged battery into the system. Okay, that's P13 USB there. And let me switch you over. Okay, so again, this is P13 USB. Seems fine. Alright, everything around M92 seems okay. Check our data line. Jason of Jason's Electronic Repair recommends checking these, so I'm checking these as well. And I'm going to check the fuse. The indestructible fuse. Good. BQ24193. Okay, everything seems okay, so I'm going to plug in the battery and see if we get any life at all. Because we definitely weren't getting any through the PSU. Alright, let's try with my battery. See if it'll power up. Okay, well, that's a decent sign so far. It may error out. No, it didn't error out. Okay, it seems to be functional. This could actually still be a port problem. Just maybe in a way that is not obvious. So, but it does seem to be working. Okay. So we'll power back down. Alright, that's a good sign actually. So we'll continue disassembly and go from there. Alright, I am going to work my way through the diagram on the right using the breakout board. Alright, let's start. I'm going to have to get off that view so I can see a little bit better. I'm getting old. So we'll start with B2. B2. Oh, no B2 on this side. So we'll start with B4. Very well. B4 should be in the 15 volt. There we go. And then we'll go B5. Okay. It's not going to be exact because this is a different revision board, but that's fine. We'll find it. B6. B7. There. B8. No. B9. B9 should be the 15 volt rail again. Rest is ground. Take a look on the other side. A9 should also be the 15 volt rail. Okay. A7 should be that guy. Yep. A6 should be the guy right next to him. Yep. A5 should be one of these guys that's not the same, but there he is. Alright, A4 should be back on the 15 volt rail. Alright, all that side looks good. Let's check the other side. Flip it around. Okay. Now we're at B2. B2. On these, I'm just going to go through, just run through the filters and see if one beeps. Being specific. There we go. B3. It's cheating a bit, but trying to read that little diagram is a pain for someone my age. B8. B8. Oh, not B8, B9 or B7, actually B7. B7. In the right one, yes. B7. Oh no, that should be a B8. Sorry. I'm looking on the wrong side. Okay, B8 is good. B10. B10 is good. B11. B11 is good. Alright, let's check the other side. Start with A11. Yep, A11's there. A10. A10 is there. A8 should be. We'll check anyway. A8 is. A3. A3 and A2. This could be M92T36. The only time I've ever seen a zero current draw is with a dud M92T36. So, I'm convinced that it's not the port. So, I think we will go after M92T36, but let's do a quick inspection just to make sure there's nothing we're missing. No corrosion, no weird blown up items. There's a chance it could be one of the max chips, but I'm not seeing anything else. Alright, we'll start with M92T36 and go from there. Throw it in our handy dandy stick vise. Need to be a little more secure. There we go. All right. While I'm setting up my equipment, we'll throw the temperatures up. These will be the temperatures I'm working with today. I will not be using the Pico pencil unless there's a need to run jumpers, which I hope there's not a need to run jumpers. All right. So we'll break out board back and get you back to a useful scene. Okay, let's perform a test and see if our behavior has changed. Okay, that looks and resembles something close to normal. That's way better than the zero we were getting before. We're still getting nothing on this side though. Strange. And we're getting zero on that side again. Much as I would like to trust this port, that doesn't make sense. Make sure we didn't blow a chip. Alright, I am inclined at this point, because we did get signs of life right off the bat. I'm not sure what's changed. I'm inclined to think that this port is probably going to have to come off. Just to eliminate it as a factor, even though we tested it out and it seemed fine. Something isn't right. Especially after getting kind of normal behavior right at first. That doesn't seem correct. So we will pull it. We'll do what we always do. Flood it with low melt. Go from there. Okay, let's perform another test. Now that we have eliminated the port as an issue. Okay. Okay, that's more of what I'd be expecting. Alright, yeah, that's more like it. Okay. So it very well could have just been a port issue. We changed the 92 T36 anyway, but I will save that chip just in case. We're going to put it back in the housing and we'll give it a test, and well, at least enough to do a test, and then we'll go from there. Okay, let's perform another test with the known good battery. This time we will prompt through the ports. Using our power supply. Watch down on the left. Alright. See what we get. Alright, full battery symbol. That's a good sign. It is prompting to the port now. Alright. Now we're going to flip the charger over. Make sure we're recognizing on both sides. And we are. Okay, that's a good thing. And it's fast charging, as you can see. So I'm going to power it back down. We're going to reassemble and do some further testing. Alright, we're back up and running. I don't know if you can see that. It is charging the Joy-Cons and the system. It's up to roughly 15–20%, I think. Let's check. Oh, 38%. Okay. And as you can see, okay, there we go. It's now fast charging. Okay, check the other side. Kind of disappoints me. There we go. Fast charging on the other side as well. I don't know why my connection is being intermittent like that. I'm going to stick it to the dock and give it a test. We'll be right back. Okay, now as you can see, it is docking. I'll switch over to the capture. It is fully docked. It's charging, and my theory is probably it was a port issue. I just know from the experiences where I put on a dud in the N92T36, I have occasionally had the same zero draw. So I assumed it was the N92T36, and we did get a little bit different behavior from it, so it may have still been bad. But yeah, it was definitely appears to have been a port, even though there was no visual evidence that it was the port. Anyway, if you have any questions about the equipment I use in this video, it's all linked down in the description below. If you liked the video, hit the like button. If you like my channel, want to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. And thank you for watching. See you next time.